Jessica here, and welcome to Story Time. Today, I have a very special story to share with you. It's called Gingerbread Friends by Jan Brett. Now, Jan Brett is a very special author. She tends to do 2 stories in one throughout her books. She likes to tell the main story with the pictures and the words, and then she has another story that is usually told by pictures on the sides of the pages. So as I read the story, go ahead and pay attention to the whole thing and see if you can figure out what the second story is. I'll give you a hint. It's about gingerbread cookies. Okay. So Gingerbread Friends by Jan Brett. The sassy gingerbread baby lived in a scrumptious gingerbread house in the bedroom of a boy named Matty. He was happy with the toys and treats that Matty made for him. Still, something was missing. One day, he watched Matty go off with his friends to ski and to skate, and he knew what it was. I'm the gingerbread baby, happy as can be. Until Matty goes out, then it's lonely here for me. I want a friend of my own, the gingerbread baby thought. There begins that second story that Jan Brett loves to do on the sides of the pages. The next morning, Matty stayed home, but he was too busy in the kitchen to play. So the gingerbread baby slipped out and headed for the village to look for a friend. The gingerbread baby walked along the lane. He came to a bakery and saw a man and a woman, just his size, in the window. Maybe they would like to be my friends, he thought. Inside, the gingerbread baby popped up in front of them and sang, I'm the gingerbread baby, peppy as can be. I'll be friends with you if you'll be friends with me. But the man and the woman just stared straight ahead like statues, eyes wide open. The gingerbread baby saw a sugar cookie girl nearby. He cartwheeled across the marshmallow snow, singing, I'm the gingerbread baby, gallant as can be. I'll be friends with you if you'll be friends with me. But she didn't look at him, and she didn't say a word. Next, the gingerbread baby spotted 7 white swans swimming on a sugar frosting sea. He leaped toward them and called out in excitement, I'm the gingerbread baby, clever as can be. I'll be friends with you if you'll be friends with me. But the elegant swans didn't even honk a hello. They stayed exactly as they were, stiff and still. The gingerbread baby turned and gazed up at a cake as tall as a mountain, with icy ledges and a man and a woman dancing on the top, petticoats and coattails flying. I'm the gingerbread baby, plucky as can be. I'll be friends with you if you'll be friends with me. But when he reached the top, he saw that they weren't dancing at all. They were as still as stone. The gingerbread baby was about to give up when he saw a door just his size. I'll go in there and think about what to do next, he thought. He slid down the cake and ran inside, where he fell sound asleep. Scritchy, scratchy. The gingerbread baby woke up and found himself face to face with a real, live Mama Mouse nibbling on his marshmallow pom-pom. Oh no, he thought. Home is a place for me. And he ran out of the bakery with the mouse, the cat, the baker, and his wife not far behind him. As the gingerbread baby raced home on his rooster, the unfriendly creatures chasing him were joined by a red fox, who almost caught the gingerbread baby as he flew over the fence and ran into Maddie's house just in time. What do you see? Tired and sad, the gingerbread baby started to cry. I'm the gingerbread baby, lonely as can be. No one wants to be my friend as far as I can see. But then he heard some singing, and a trail of cupcakes caught his eye. He climbed the stairs, and you'll never guess what he found. Ready to see what he found, guys? Let's see. Look at that! We're gingerbread friends, playful as can be. We'll be friends with you if you'll be friends with me, and me, and me. The end. And now that the gingerbread baby has so many new friends, Maddie's going to have to make more gingerbread houses for them. And maybe you guys can go and help with the creation of gingerbread houses for all these friends. If you guys registered for our gingerbread creation program here at the library, you can come on down to the library before December 5th, which is Saturday, to pick up your kit and start creating a brand new home for all these new gingerbread baby friends. So go ahead and start getting creative. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye!